and this is Nina, and we're from Mary's Tack and Feed. And today we want to show you how your helmet should fit with all of your hair up inside the helmet. There's oftentimes, maybe if you're younger or you're showing in dressage, perhaps you're doing braids or buns, then we would encourage you to look at our video on how to fit your helmet with your hair down, because braids and buns usually don't affect helmet fit. But when you're putting all your hair up and inside, it can change the way your helmet fits. So it needs to check out the same way as if you were fitting it with your hair down. So we're going to show you that on Nina, who is getting her hair all ready for this event. All right, looking good, girl. That looks great. You ready? Mm-hmm. So Nina's going to put this on, and we're going to evaluate it for the same things we would evaluate it for if her hair were down. Okay, I like the sound of that. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the first thing we're going to check is the grab of the helmet. It definitely needs to be snug enough so that if I try to lift up on her head, it should just grab. See how her eyebrows are lifting? I wish you could feel what I'm feeling, because I'm putting a good amount of torque on there. Boink. It's grabbing good. I like it. Now I need to check it from right to left. Ready? Watch. Okay, hold your head still. Resist, resist. Watch her eyebrows. It's definitely grabbing the skin of her head and pulling her eyebrows. That's just a good way to see that it is grabbing. This has a very good, pretty strong hold on her head. I like to check here on the sides for flushness against her head, and it does feel like it's contacting well. Do you feel like you feel it all the way around your head?
Yeah.
You don't feel concentrated pressure in the front or the back?
No.
Good. So this checks out rather nicely. We're happy with this, and if you have any other questions, you can call us or you can visit our site at marystack.com. Thank you.